Mr. Smart Kid!
Hey guys, today I'm in my room playing Legos. It took me 2 weeks, but I built a robot suit out of Legos. Give a like and subscribe. So guys, before I made the actual robot suit, I made like a plan of the robot suit. And here's the plan that I made.
Here's the plan of the robot suit and the actual robot suit.
Let's start with the legs. We can see we have the legs on the bottom of the robot suit, and I can show you they actually move. The reason why they move is because if I take it off, you can see I put a real pair of Lego legs on the legs, so they actually move like real legs. Let's keep the legs right there. Let me show you the arms. Well, since we don't have the right arm yet, I won't show you that. But anyway, here's the first arm. So we can see we have these little baby Lego legs that don't really move as fingers. And we also have an actual Lego body over here, and we have a real Lego hand. Plus, you can see if I take off the arm, I actually made the arm using this ball and this ball holder, so it actually turns 360. Let me show you how it turns 360. It actually turns 360. Same is going to be for this right arm, but anyways, let's get on to the head. You can see the head has like a little glass window over here that you can open and close, and it has a real Lego head inside. If we look closely, we can see the Lego head is attached to a pipe going down a hole. The hole leads to a small room in the center of the robot suit that we cannot see at the moment, but inside there is another Lego body, and that is the actual Lego body of this Lego character. The pipe attaches the head to the Lego character, so the Lego character does not oof. Anyways, we looked at the plan of the robot suit and the robot suit, so let's get on to building the right arm. So we can see I have many Legos to help us build the robot suit, plus a whole drone. So let's start with the basics. We can see this is how the arm will look like for the robot suit. We can see it needs an attachment. So let's start with the basics and actually use the attachment and start building. This is how the attachment looks like. This is how the attachment looks like when it is paired with its partner. We can see this arm is 4 circles wide. So that means we want to make the other arm 4 circles wide as well. I got 2 pieces that are 1 circle wide. I got 1 piece that is 2 circles wide. 2 plus 1 equals 4. Now we just need to add something to attach those first 4 pieces. So guys, I was sort of like playing around with all my Lego pieces and stuff like that, but then I found just the right pieces that I needed to build the right arm. So as you can see, I put it on time lapse and I showed you how I built the right arm in super speed. And that is how the right arm looks like. Cool, right? But there are only a few things I didn't add yet that we're going to add right now.
Yeah!
So guys, I got the pieces we need to complete the right arm of our robot suit. We can see we have these pieces over here that we're going to use as fingers, and on this arm the fingers move. And we also have this body here, and I'll show you what we're going to use it for. So first, let's just like take this arm like off the back. Literally, it's a one-armed body now. But that's actually what we need. Let me show you how we need it. You see the body? Yeah, so this is the right arm. And if we take off this piece, we have a hole in there, and that's actually what we need right now. So, let's put this little Lego body like right there. So I put the Lego body inside the hole, and let's close the hole. Yeah, it's so smart. Like, look, it's just like a secret Lego body. You can't really see it, but you can see the actual mini arm of the, well, whatever you want to call it. The next thing we're going to add here is the fingers. Since the fingers would not fit if we put them like this, that would not fit because this piece is too thin. And if we take it off, it would literally destroy the entire arm. So we're not going to do that, but instead, we're going to do something even smarter. We see I added this piece to them, so they're attached together, and voila, we're done. Now, let's put the arm on the robot suit. So we're going to do that, insert the ball, voila. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please click a like and subscribe if you want to see more of this giant robot suit. Do you know what video we're going to do next? We're going to name him. Like and subscribe.
Mr.